This is an introductory video on how to use our audio and video system in the Spruceland gym. A key is necessary to open the cabinet, but the left-hand side of the cabinet also needs you to press a latch in order for it to open, right here. Inside the cabinet, you'll find the projector, the remote for the projector, 2 receivers for wireless microphones, a Bluetooth receiver, an amp that controls all volumes with master and input volume dials, the 2 microphones, and a document camera if necessary. Turn the amp on. There is a green light that shows that it has power. Connect your inputs: computer VGA, Bluetooth, or HDMI. It is only possible to use the 3.5mm audio plug-in when the projector is also turned on and set to computer input. The volume for this cord is controlled by the projector's input. The stage 3.5mm input is located to the left of the stage. The box for plugging in your audio is behind a curtain, here. You should be able to simply press the button on the front of the Bluetooth receiver and discover it through any Bluetooth compatible device. If you are unable to discover it, it's quite possible that this button located on the back of the device has been pushed in by accident. It must look like this to function properly. Here's some things to check if you are unsuccessful connecting your audio or video. This is the back of the amp. Notice how input 7 and input 8 are for the projector and Bluetooth that are now labeled. There's a big no tape over top of the other ports because they look like something can be plugged into them. If a cord is plugged into the amp in and nowhere else, the entire system will have no audio. That is why there is a no over top of those ports. This is the rear view of the projector. There is only one HDMI input. This small device here is used to wirelessly display video. It's possible someone unplugged the HDMI cord and forgot to plug it back in. Make sure that the back of the projector looks exactly like this, and you will be able to connect your video. This is what the rear of the receiver should look like when they are functioning properly. Check that nothing has been unplugged by accident. This is what the rear of the amp should also look like when it is functioning properly. Again, check that no cords have been disturbed or are missing. As a final note, please be aware, the Bluetooth receiver does not allow you to physically plug your phone into it using the 3.5mm jack. There should be no connection from a phone directly to the Bluetooth receiver.